Hello, I'm in a 2012 GMC Terrain, and today I'm going to show you how to fold your seats up and down. So for these rear seats, we're going to find this latch here, which will pull, and that'll let you fold the seat forward. And then it works the same for this passenger side as well. But when you're ready for this to go back up, I would first probably pull the seatbelt over to make sure it doesn't get stuck. And then you'll just lift and pull the seat back, and then it'll lock back in place. For this center one, it just pulls forward, and then you can fold it back up when you're done. And then for these front seats, as long as you've got some power, these will raise and lower the seat. This slides the seat forward or backwards, and then this one will make this slide forward or back for your rear support. So for it to go forward, we're just going to pull this up, and then you can pull the seat forward. It kind of takes two hands to do. And then to make it go backwards, you'll lift this lever and then push back with your other hand. And then when this is down again, it locks in place. And then this is to slide your seat even further forward and back. When it's down, it's locked in place, and when it's lifted, it'll let it free slide. And as you can see, this one here, as I said earlier, it's like your lumbar support, so it's making this go in and out, which maybe you can see in the video. And we'll show you the passenger side as well. So this one, it's got the similar controls for this back support to make it go forward and back. And then up here, the similar lever for sliding the whole seat forward and back. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.